Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Flash Ergonomic Task Chair with or without headrest. Features: the Flash Ergonomic Task Chair with its unique and innovative design. Features a flexible and pliable nylon backrest with integrated fixed lumbar, providing optional user comfort and extra back support. The large, comfortable black air mesh cushion seat has a waterfall front edge that prevents the seat from catching behind the knees and cutting off circulation. The armrests are height adjustable and are fitted with soft feel arm pads. The Flash is fitted with easily accessible ergonomic controls built into the seat pad. The left-hand lever adjusts the synchronous tilt that is lockable in 3 positions. Or can be left to free float with weight tension control, adjustable for user's body weight. Use the lever on the right to adjust the gas seat height. The Flash comes as standard with a large aluminium alloy base, with 2 wheel hooded casters. The chair can be used with or without the matching headrest. And the backrest is offered in a choice of 7 striking colours. The gas lift is TUV and BIFMA tested with a weight capacity of 110 kilograms, 17.3 stone. The seat pad is fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 and comes with a 2 years manufacturer's guarantee for 8 hours per day use. Delivered next day or on a day of choice, you won't find this chair with this excellent specification at a better price. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.